Hey folks, how you doing? Here are your directions for today. So in the green folder, you will see for your poetry group, lesson 5 rhyme. Now here's your focus lesson, which basically gives you a description of all the different kinds of rhyme that poets tend to use. You can review that on your own. You don't really need me to walk you through it. Guided practice though, you might want to take a look at this. Actually, I'll just do it here. Now, first thing you got to do is learn how to identify rhyme when you see it. And remember, rhyme is about the sound that you hear, not the letters on the page, because poetry is a spoken art form, not just a read art form. So this one here, called One Art by Elizabeth Bishop, very famous poem. Great clear rhyme scheme. The art of losing isn't hard to master. So many things seem filled with the intent to be lost that their loss is no disaster. Master and disaster both rhyme. So when we're identifying the rhyme pattern, aka rhyme scheme, we'd call that A, and then, see, that's A again. But this middle one here, intent, does not match up. And since it doesn't match up with the previous parts, we'd call it a B. That's why I wrote B there. Now we're going to read the rest of the poem looking for things that either rhyme with the A rhyme or the B rhyme. So let's check out the second stanza. Lose something every day, except the fluster of lost door keys, the hour badly spent. The art of losing isn't hard to master. Fluster, master. Well, some of them are repeated and they rhyme with the A line, right? So master, disaster, fluster, master. Those are all A rhymes. And then we have spent here in the middle. That rhymes with intent, so that would be a B. If a line had not rhymed with any of the previous lines, we would have called that a C, and so forth and so on. Now, you will only find A's and B's in this poem. So what I want you to do is to continue reading along, look for the pattern, identify the rhyme scheme, and that will be your guided practice. Now, for your independent work, you can either use the piece you were working on last week, or you can copy 10 other lines from your place description and paste them down here. Or you could use a piece that you've come up that you wrote before and you want to work on some more. Or you can just make something up completely fresh on the spot. What I'd like you to do is to add 3 examples of rhyme. It could be any kind of rhyme. I don't care. It could be end rhyme, internal rhyme, perfect rhyme, slant rhyme, whatever you think. Whatever works for your piece. Now, sorry, I got quite a little cough today. After that, just try to mark the rhyme scheme. It might be kind of crazy because I imagine you probably don't have that much rhyme. But it'll be interesting to see what you notice about your own piece. Maybe there's rhyme in there that you didn't even see. So, I look forward to seeing what you come up with. And again, if you have any questions, please just let me know.